Well,
I'm gonna continue anyways.
so, okay.
We're just clear.
Yeah, just hands up.
Yep.
You know, hit a button on that timer so that you know the time, right?
Yeah,
That's not how I shot it, Oleg.